Reading Made Easy. Discover simple yet powerful strategies to boost your English reading skills. This presentation offers practical tips to help EFL students improve comprehension, build vocabulary, and enhance fluency. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your reading to the next level, these proven techniques will guide you toward mastering English through reading. Here are some helpful reading tips. First, start easy. Begin with short stories, children's books, or simplified articles that match your current language level. This builds confidence and helps you improve gradually. 2. Guess the word meaning. When you encounter unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context instead of immediately looking them up. This develops your ability to infer meaning. 3. Read out loud. Reading out loud can help improve pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. It also reinforces word recognition and fluency. 4. Find keywords. Identify key vocabulary or main ideas in each paragraph. This helps you grasp the overall meaning of the text without needing to understand every single word. 5. Write a summary. After reading, write a short summary in your own words. This helps you process and remember the information. 6. Use a dictionary. When needed, use a bilingual dictionary to clarify difficult words, but avoid over-relying on it. 7. Read every day. Consistency is key. Set aside a few minutes every day for reading practice to develop fluency and comprehension skills over time. 8. Join a reading group. Sharing what you've read with others, either in person or online, enhances understanding and motivates you to keep reading. Whether you're a beginner or want to improve, these tips will help you become better at reading in English. Have a nice day.